Today's lesson is on subtracting integers, and by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to subtract integers. This is kind of tricky, so please follow along as I show you the process for this. First thing, despite our lesson title, we will never subtract integers. Never, ever. What we're going to do is turn our subtraction problem into an addition problem. So our first term remains the same. We change our subtraction sign into an addition sign. And the second term changes to its opposite. So you see why we learned about opposites a few lessons ago. They become really important here. For example, we'll start with 23 minus 4. Now I know we can all do this. This is easy, two positive numbers. We know it's 19. But here's the process. It becomes very important when negative numbers get involved. First term stays the same. Subtraction sign becomes addition. And at 4 changes to its opposite. 23 plus negative 4 is 19. Just like you guys already knew this to begin. So that's an easy one. Now, we get some negatives involved. We have 16 minus negative 47. First term stays the same. Subtraction becomes addition. Negative 47 becomes positive 47. And we just add these together to get 63. Now, as I uncover more examples, feel free to pause the video and try them out on your own. I'm going to keep solving these. Negative 15 minus 68 becomes negative 15 plus negative 68. We learned about same sign addition in our previous video. So we add the absolute values to get 83, and that common sign is a negative. Finally, we have negative 54 minus negative 77. So the first term stays the same. Subtraction becomes addition. And our second term changes to its opposite. So we have negative 54 plus 77. And remember, from different sign addition, we subtract absolute values to get 23. The number with the larger absolute value in our original problem is positive. Therefore, the answer stays positive. Positive 23. If you guys were here in class doing this lesson, we'd be doing this game with you. You'd be coming up to the board and moving things around. Unfortunately, we're not in class for this. So I'll do the matching for you. We're going to match up the original problems with their addition counterparts. So I'll go in order. We have negative 7 minus 3. Well, we change that. The first term is the same. Subtraction becomes addition. Second term becomes the opposite. And I look, and that matches up right down here. So that's the idea. If you guys want to go ahead on your papers, try to fill this in without me. I'm just going to go right through this. This becomes 9 plus 8. This becomes 9 plus negative 8. Which is somewhere. You know what? I made a mistake. This is 9 plus positive 8. See, guys, nobody's perfect. Negative 7 becomes plus positive 3. This becomes 7 plus 3. This becomes negative 9 plus negative 8. This is negative 9 plus positive 8. And finally, 7 plus negative 3. Let's see how I did. All right, I got them all right. Hopefully you all did too. This concludes your lesson on subtracting integers, which we will never actually do.